Yeah, we fit to boy Tato Stars, aka Mr. Cool himself. As we fit, I'll be operating a young blindfold date and so, yeah, if it's the first time here, go over, hit that subscribe button, switch on that notification bell so you could get notified next time I draw. Go over. Ash, thank you. Yeah, okay, guys. Nginomjita la yabo. Nginogele la. Yangithola. Okay. Ke bona ke thomeva my guy, what's your type?
My type, short, light skinned, ngwanyana o itshwarang grand wabo. Yeah, sure.
That's all. Okay, I'll take a quick ne.
Sure.
What's your red flag in a girl?
Flag. The edge boy. Edge boy.
The edge.
Lady mini skate.
Oh, that's a power of the season. Okay, my sister. What's my sister. What's your type?
Nakata motsheketso gore like umshoti mara like ayo umshoti gagolo a ka nna ba coffee color
Okay, my sister.
sure
What's your red flag in a gent?
motshwana le di female breasts tse ngata mothata ba ngalo shoota fera yeah.
That's all. Okay, now we go round 1 of get to know each other. Ne? Yeah, so my guy, share the mic. Ne? So, share the mic, get to know me.
Hello.
Hi.
What's up?
Keshapo.
Feed. Yo. If like kidding. Mom cheating ne.
Okay.
O expect delay.
Motho tshwarang shapo a tla bang le nakwaka yeah.
Feed. The love language style, okay?
Physical touch, the quality time.
Feed. So what if I had all those things so for some Khodichu?
Khocho alright fine.
Feed. Any questions you wanna ask me? You don't have?
Yeah.
Feed.
Okay. Kubudula mama khare. Can I sit in the middle? Okay, my dog, how is the conversation? Okay. Was it good?
Yeah.
Say kwala dog. Like, rate your conversation out of 10.
A 6.5.
A 6.5. Okay, my sister, okay, my sister, can I ask, how was the conversation between you and the gent?
Nele right fela.
Really right?
Yeah.
Please rate it out of 10.
A solid 6.
A solid 6. Okay. Like, can I ask my dog? I don't know. Okay. What's your love language?
Nah.
Relax. My guy, what's your love language?
Quality time. Quality time and affection, abo. Sure.
Okay, my sister, what's your love language?
Quality time le physical touch.
The physical touch. Okay, can I ask my sister, what's your favorite kiss?
French kiss.
French kiss. Okay, my dog, what's your favorite kiss?
Same thing. But
Same thing. Ash. Okay, now, no, ne. Ke tlo etsa gore le filano, that's all. Like, go sotela ka my dog. Sotel. Sotel. My sister, please sotela. Please, come closer, come closer, come closer. Okay, ke batla le filane ne. Go tsena sefatlego sa go my sister. Go mo fila sefatlego ntwana. Mo fila. I'm a feel my talk. Okay, my sister, come on, feel it so clear. Turn your face, dog. I'm a feel my sister.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. No. Go pale ka Emela, Emela. Emela, my talk. Emela, my talk. My sister. Go po mo hake my talk. Okay, yeah, it's enough. How was the hug, my talk?
I can't.
Where now, my sister?
Anele sharp.
Okay, no, okay, sure. Sorry for the Emily, son. Nigga, but I'm feeling. I'll upload my fat my talk. That's all. You love fat, my sister? Okay, now. Ash, I can say I'm carrying it. Okay, the last thing, couple feel na matso. Like couple tso la go correct my sister. Mo feel me talk. Mo feel. Okay, mo feel yang my talk.
Yeah. I get see. Oh.
Tough.
Yeah.
Okay, like it's all like liang, like oh,
Let's soft.
less soft.
Yeah.
Fair. Me talk when my sister feel like it's all like Lena no va mo oro.
Le ga ite man. Le tla ga go ke la mchit.
Lo ka gala go ke la mjit.
Yeah.
Okay, no ge. Wait. Okay, shop. Nkare no. No ge shop. Gene. So's nelbuwane get to know each other. Did you get his name or
Ka le tsho.
let's watch Lucha la me talk?
Aye.
Oh, let's watch. Okay, no to reveal the mask, ne? Okay, no khane. Active ka tsang mara. Ish, akitsa ka plamela. Okay. Ka me talk so tesa swakler. So teta my sis. So teta swakler like 10. O ka go sheba le. Let's watch. So tell. Ke wa ka mo tshwara ka le roba me talk. Let's watch. No, my sister, don't panic. Let's do this fast, Abo. Mutua. Eh, Baba. Chaka so.
So. Sure.
Entang, wala ka ko mo siya pa grande. Like. Alay bola. Okay. Eh? Okay, like, o como siya pa. I can return ta French kiss. Okay.
Sure.
I can return ta French kiss. Okay, sharp. Mutua me to.
So.
Mutua, sotel. Sotel. That's the bar of the season. Okay, it's time. Brajud. Okay, Bafetu. Yeah, okay, me talk. Soz, you kissed her, ne? How was the kiss?
Anile krent in doan.
Nearly current.
Sure.
Could rate it out of 10?
Solid 8.
Solid 8. Okay, no, and my sister. How was the kiss?
Nela ka ite fail.
Could rate out of 10?
7.5.
7.5. Ili ko kaya yung.
Eish. Kids.
Okay, wait. Okay, no. Re ka reveal di mask. And like, I already reveal no. Relax. Okay, no, ne. Ke go ka 5 minutes. Go re le bua ne. O ya tshola. A ke gane ke le buiste ga ithu. Okay, no. Re ka reveal di mask ne. Kopa o yona kon tshusang mo magagalone mo behind the camera. Okay. Wena ntsha wa ke lobo. Like my talk. Kopa shebe kwane.
Wat?
Sheba da. Yeah, de wena shebile ka teng. Re ka reveal mask ne.
Sure.
Are you ready?
Ja.
Are you ready? 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, whoa. Okay. Okay. It's a wow. Okay. What's coming on, ne? Like, do you see? Like, why won't I talk about that?
Ain't no competition, just
Yo, Tatu.
Dinsa. Ninjalile bafet Mr. Cool himself. Ufila yang so ubani dekai.
Yo.
Wako kiva ne.
Yo.
Kesan.
Yo, Tatu.
Ufila yang. Okay, reka wako ne. May talk. Ufila yang wen. So ubana ntsoki bonang na.
Speechless.
Speechless. Like all speechless may talk.
I get it.
Out of. Okay, no when my sister Flair.
Yo. Nna ke tsebe gore nka bua eng mare yo o tle ke re yo
Guys. Where Kim Murit, I was speechless. No Kamoto, why are you speechless? That's all. Whoa, relax. At the end of the video. That's the part of the season. Okay, my talk. Sounds ne. Kopa mo rate out of 10. Talk skay kwa. Mo rate out of 10. Amo nang no dyan. Stop ang face. Mo rate out of 10. It does nice, ne? Kopa mo rate out of 10 to?
Solid 9.
Solid 9. Well, I'm rate out of. Okay, whoa. Kupo solid 9. Ile kay 1.
1. I get it, ma. Solid 9.
Okay, wala man sisto makita pa ka.
10.
10. Nanakabaw kita 10. Hey, man. Okay. No. Ash. Aki jingka kaya man. like blind date into nekamana ibe testing kwababa aka blindfold date that's all no ka vela ka ai ke cancel testing kwababa that's all no my dog how should we come shapa ka this ai oh afraid okay so is no ge why okay ba re why ko background ba re why
Baskawa.
Okay, so la bona ke ntwana lona Strikeman Panda. La bona ke media lona ka like man pre-toll shots. Bafetu. On behalf of Strikeman Panda. Wena o tšwelang lena kopo sa kwata it's just content that's all ke content e fela ska kwata next Manchester that's all wena o tšwelang le pre-toll shots o sa Chester ke content e fela that's all yeah that's all whoa my dog ke go le sia le bue for 5 minutes ne la malast fe le bue for 5 minutes only 5 minutes a o ka go kwatile yana
ya ka kwata
kwatologa mfethu kopa le bueng for 5 minutes ne my dog sotela my dog my sister kopa sotela
a go ga ete
kopa le bueng tshwara my dog share mic ne my dog mo shapele ka re it's Manchester ne yeah share mic my dog
Antona Gampincho ki speechless ntwana.
That's the end of the video.
Wait. Okay, my talk. Like you're saying you're speechless. You keep saying that you're speechless. Why are you speechless? Give us a reason. Give me a solid reason for why only speechless. Oh, no se expecta. Ken. Ay, boo. Wala may situsyable yan pa. Wala, no se expectan swe.
yo
Ay, boo. My dog, give me a solid reason. Okay, Bafethu. I'll tell you camera la kancane. Ithele. Yeah, okay. This is the la man fusa. Sorry for swearing guys. Okay, Bafethu. As ke tshila ne. A gona Manchester. Bafethu. Ka moya wa modimo wa halalela. If you're still watching this video, please subscribe and all. Go shota fela re fihle ko 150 subscribers. Ka moya wa modimo wa halalela. If you're still watching this video, I repeat, subscribe guys. Let's get chill. Gore, wena tšwelang Strikeman Panda sa Chester. Ke content only. That's all. Na kopo sang lwantsha it's just content. That's all. Wena tšwelang le pre-toll shots. That's all. Sweet lami lo mkhuhlane. Ke kopo sang lwantsha mitoko. Ke content hela. Okay, no. Like okay, kopo ask, kopo botsa ne. Do you have IG handle? Kopo shout out.
Pre-toll shots.
Okay, when am I talk? Do you have IG handle?
Sure.
Shout out it.
Pretty boy panda.
Pretty boy panda. Fair. Kopa shout out le Facebook what out lona tse.
Strikeman Panda. Pre-toll shots.
Same thing. Bafethu, this is the end of the video. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Bafethu. Do the most. Stay blessed. South Africa. Danko.